Guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to do another house tour but in a different game. I'm right now in the game Club Roblox, which used to be fun. It is like a game that you can roleplay in, and people host like parties and stuff. So I want to go to that party later. Okay, I will. But I'm showing you some of just this house today that I built recently, and there was a lot of work to it, so let's get started. The house that I did use was the school home, so I'm going to show you the entrance because I didn't want to show you because there was a whole bunch of stuff. We have a roll remover. We have the main roles. We have a student and a teacher. It says, rules, be respectful, be civil, keep your opinions, do not do anything inappropriate, stay PG. Any inappropriate behavior will be reported. Enjoy, build, made by me, and please like. I do have 24 likes. I already liked my own, so I can't add more. But here are some of the other roles. We have funny, theater kid, cheerleader, popular, jock, and smart. Back here we do have some more lockers, but that's just for the aesthetic. What is going on right now? All I hear is bump, bump, bump. Okay. But here's the science room, our first room today. I love this room. I made it custom because it wasn't working. So, yeah. This is one of the posters I added. There's actual science things here, this thing explodes. We have whatever those things are called. You have the little things. We have some fire, a mixing thing. That's the same on the other side with a lot of sinks because you need sinks. That's the lab area with some desks. And here is the main area. The poster's glitching. I don't know what's going on right now, but here's the other poster and the other one. Here is the teacher's desk. And you can actually turn on the TVs too, which is what we use as screens. Alright, those are some more lockers. Just keep in mind there's going to be lockers everywhere. I'm going to close those so it's a surprise. Because I don't know why all my doors are open. No! Okay. That's fine. Oh, someone's in my house. Hey! Anyways. Over here, we have more lockers. Just lockers everywhere. Here's the outdoor area, but I'm gonna wait because there's parts of it. Here's the teacher's lounge. I just added some nice things. Here's a staff meeting. La cucina, because that's a kitchen right there. Let's close that door. Here's the math room, a lot of posters and a lot of desks. So yeah, I just used whatever posters I have because I have a lot of them. So anyways, let's go look at some more. Oh, and yeah, this is the teacher's desk. There's 2 teachers for this one. Over here is social studies. We have a whole bunch of these different desks. We have different posters of Maya, Inca, Aztec, and just maps everywhere. The teacher can sit up here and do a lesson, and then there's desks for the students. Let me see. I did put, there's 2 desks in here too. We'll wait to go in the cafeteria. We're gonna go this way. Only because the cafeteria is full. Here is detention. Just 4 desks, and then we have a projector, and they have to do the work in there. These are waiting areas for whenever they're waiting for an appointment, or really when they're waiting to be seen by someone. Because here is where you can make the principal and counselor appointments. You see if they're available right here. Here's the counselor's office. Something basic, but there's a lot of posters in here. There is, hold on. There's desk, and then there is I'm the best version of, that's supposed to say myself, but it's fine. It says space posters. It says you look great. Slay the day. Good gnarly. How do I look? Hot to go. There is also a chair here, and I don't know why, but anyways, here's a waiting area for it. Another waiting area. Here's the principal's office. We have a trophy. We have some more awards. That's just pretending that that's her family. It says thank you. What's up here? First room, art room. I used whatever I could. These are like stand things that I built. No, I did not build. I added them. We have a whole bunch of posters too because it's an art room. And these do have decals, but I just added the random little things. I wanted them to be paintings. I actually could have just done that, and then, yeah. Anyways, let's go to our next room. There's just a single locker here. I love it. Wait, what's in there? Oh, school stuff. Okay. Here's the English room. I like this one, too. Here's there are sitting areas to sit on, flexible seating, to be more exact. And there's a whole bunch of desks. It's where the teacher sits. And then there are different posters, classroom language, something about books, edit or regret, verbs, just a whole bunch of things. Oh, wait. I forgot about some of the one poster in math that I made homemade. And I love it. We have to go back. That's not this one. I deleted it. No! I had it somewhere. I need to figure out where I put it. Oh well. Anyways, that was the English room. Here's the Italian room. We have it's a classroom. That's all I can say. It's a classroom. Some doing work here. And then there's just like the Italy and the flag there. It's just a classroom. Here's oopsies. Here is the Spanish room. We have just signs that I thought made sense. Something was wrong when I was making the Italy room. The decals on this wall were going through the other side, so I didn't fix it because they knew it would just keep happening. So I was like, I'm done. I'm not doing it again. Here is the chorus plus orchestra room. So the chorus room we have desk, piano, can't actually play. The chorus risers, it says no horse playing on the chorus risers. These are just stairs, but if you want to go to the orchestra room, you have to walk back here. Awkward, I know. You have to be creative when you're building such a room. So, yeah, we did become creative. Here's the bass. The violins are guitars. And here's the cello. You have to be creative. There is a window. We're not supposed to see that until later. And the teacher does have a desk, so that's good. So that is the chorus room and orchestra room. Here is the band room and general music room, or like music class. You had to be creative once again. Clarinet, saxophone, trombone, percussion, trumpet, and flute. By the way, the trumpet would not let me put in trumpet because some reasons with America. Anyways, general music, we have just seats and you sit down and listen. I did add these so it's not distracting back there. So don't watch mid-class. I forgot I closed that. Alright. Over, where did we not see? Oh, I think we saw those already. So there are some areas that we did not see though, like the cafeteria, because I absolutely love it. Alright. So here is an ad for the sports. We do basketball, tennis, and soccer. Contact your coach today for more information about teams. I did actually make that poster on Canva, which I'm very proud of. Here is the lunch line. You can get the hot food over here, cold food in the little things, and we have a cash register to pay for it because, you know. Alright. The cafeteria is also a home for a theater, or just the auditorium, or just a theater really, so that's why there's theater seats. And now I'm going to reveal the stage, and you have to guess in 5 seconds what you think the stage or the set is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is Chicago. I made this poster to audition for Chicago. Join the Drama Club. Meetings Monday through Friday, 4 to 6 p.m. I thought that Chicago was a good show, and, you know, I just added it because this is like a high school, basically. So, This is one way to get into the stage. And then there are scenes where they climb up here, and that's why I added it for them to go up here. What else? In here, you can actually go in here. This has all the sets. There's this part of the show where they put Roxy up, and those are just the letters that are text. A radio, some seats, a lawyer's office, and then like some chairs. Did I say a lawyer's office? A judge desk or judge thing. This also you can climb up, which is cool. Alright, so that's the Chicago stage. And this is the cafeteria. It's cute. I like it. So let's go on to our next thing. The outdoor area. Here is some more seating area for lunch because there's no seating areas anymore. Here's what we mean by basketball. The basketball courts. It's more of summer, but it's for sports. This was the hardest field that took me to make. I was trying to make a circle for soccer, so I just used this pull float thing. Oh, I got it in. Let me try again. I keep on missing the net. Wait, why? I keep on missing. It's fine though. Over here we have the tennis court. This is a tennis racket, I think. And it was a volleyball court, but we just pretend that's not there because we need some kind of net. Here's the gym class, and it's an obstacle course. So we're going to start. This is my favorite thing to do in this plot. Try to win the obstacle course. Some of these stages are impossible. Oh my gosh, no. Gotta get in that checkpoint. Okay. Trying to go. No, it's like... Oh my gosh, wait, what is going on right now? What if I just cheat? Okay, 28 seconds. No, that's actually the record. Some of the people that did it. And guys, that's my build. So if you enjoyed, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. If you want to see some of more of my Club Roblox builds, keep watching because I think I'm gonna post more. Anyways, if you enjoyed, make sure... I just said that. Lol, I'm so tired. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.